Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 2015 Factory 5 1933 hot rod. Again, Factory 5 is known for their Cobras, but I will tell you that this 33 hot rod is one very nice ride that was built by Factory 5, or it's on a Factory 5 chassis. Just an absolute beautiful vehicle. But before we get into this vehicle, just want to tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. We have all ages, makes, models. As you can see, we got a Bentley back there, so we do cover luxury vehicles. You see a couple more Bentleys here. But we do have some late models as well, on a pair of 2022 C8s and sequential VIN Demons here with the Demon crates, along with a Model T. Again, won't go through all the inventory as we're looking at this Factory 5 33 hot rod today, but just wanted to tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. About 65% of what we sell leaves the state, so I always like to share a little bit of the warehouse so folks can see that we are real. We do have a facility. All the vehicles are kept inside. As I mentioned, if you are interested in this vehicle or any other vehicles you might see, we do offer shipping. Everybody that we ship with is fully insured and bonded. We've been shipping cars for over 15 years, so if you have a need to have a vehicle shipped, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, and we can get your vehicle shipped for you. We also do offer financing for the folks that either need or want financing. Please give us a call or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota, and you can go to the finance tab and fill out an application right there. But let's get into this 33 Ford hot rod by Factory 5. Sorry, watch is going off there. As we're looking at the engine, it is a 351 Windsor. Again, really nice. It is stroked out to a 408, dynoed at 512 horsepower. It does have four-wheel disc brakes. They have integrated electric power steering so you can get through parking lots. As you can see, power brakes, as I mentioned. Does have vintage air. And again, it sits on a Factory 5 chassis, which is very well known, very well built. Chrome wheels, got the chrome moon hubcaps. Just a very, very nice hot rod here. Take it out to a car show or take it out for a local drive, to dinner. Be the envy of all your friends. It's got a black convertible top. And we'll get it and start it up for you. Suicide doors. Apologize with the camera as we're getting inside. Odometer gauges. Automatic, and you can see the vintage air controls. Go ahead and get it started up here. Starts right up. Zach working here. Again, sorry for the pictures inside. They're a little dark, but visit our website We have over 75 pictures of the vehicle on the website. So if I'm going too fast with the camera, you can see pictures on the website. Again, that is ClassicCarsOfSarasota.com. If you have any questions, give us a call, 941-355-1955. Engine purrs as it should. Exhaust sounds great. Let it warm up a little bit here and then rev it up so you can hear it. Just an excellent sounding vehicle. I apologize for the camera. Again, that roar that you hear from the dual exhaust certainly brings you back to the 30s when hot rods were extremely popular. Again, this one's built factory 5 chassis, maroon. Paint is just gorgeous. Complements the black top very nicely. Black interior, leather interior, automatic with overdrive, 4-speed. If you have any questions on this hot rod, this 33 hot rod, please give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website at ClassicCarsOfSarasota.com. And I appreciate you joining today. Thank you.